Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach common school laptop restrictions. We will cover identifying the blocks, some potential software-based workarounds, and crucial safety considerations. Please remember, altering school property without permission can lead to serious consequences, including suspension or legal action. Our aim is to inform you about the *how*, but always prioritize ethical use and school policies. Proceed with caution and at your own risk. First, understand what kind of restrictions you are facing. Can you install new applications, or are system settings completely locked down? Observe if specific websites are inaccessible only on the school network or everywhere. This diagnostic step is crucial for choosing the right approach. For instance, a common restriction might be a content filter blocking certain categories of sites. Knowing the exact nature of the block, whether it is network or system-related, is your first key step. For software blocks, consider portable applications which run without installation, often from a USB drive. You might also try booting into safe mode with networking, which can sometimes grant temporary access to certain features. Additionally, some browser extensions designed for privacy or content access might help bypass simple network filters. Remember, always source any tools from highly trusted websites to protect your device from potential viruses or malicious software. For more advanced restrictions, some users explore booting a separate operating system, like a Linux Live environment, directly from a USB flash drive. This method runs entirely independent of the installed system. However, these techniques carry significant risks, including potential data loss or rendering the laptop inoperable. Always back up all your important school files and understand the serious implications before attempting such modifications. Prioritize data safety and school policy compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.